550 person here.
Yeah, they don't want to hatch it.
This one's gonna be great for today. Do you guys remember how to do it now? Good.
Well, it's up. I'm assuming that means we've.
Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Say hi. He's ignoring. Look at you.
Can you help me?
Hello. Say hi.
Hi.